Hello, I'm Paramjit Singh. My age is 28. I just want to share my experience regarding I got hurt in my college while playing cricket. While playing cricket, I just tried out to attempt and catch. I just fell down on my knee and I got hurt. So before I was just thinking of that it's just a muscular pain, so I was just applying move and all, so the work was going on. But later, as suggested by doctor, he told me to go for an MRI. As I have done MRI, I just came to know that my ACL ligament is been damaged. So I consult other doctor. He told me just go for surgery. So my friends, what I would suggest, after surgery also even you have to go for physiotherapy. So why not you try for physiotherapy before surgery, so that you can just overcome your problem. But in my case, I went under surgery and few exercises were told to me by a physiotherapy doctor over there, and I was just practicing all those exercises, but I was not feeling okay and I was not in my daily routine. After that, I start cycling and all, and I get to my work again after some time, after 2-3 months span of time. But the same condition was there. I was not in normal condition. And for such a job, I came over here in Pune. I just came to know about Dr. Priyanka's physiotherapy clinic, and there I get to know that here I can go and have my solution for my problem. Thereby, I came for Balivari Fata Center and suggested me that instead of operation, you should have come here before and have undergone this physiotherapy. Then there would be no such situation, and you will be feeling much better without operation, and you can cure your ligament tear also at the time, whether it is third level tear or whatsoever. Yet, as I have underwent operation, I joined physiotherapy classes, and I am practicing those classes as suggested by her, and I am feeling much better right now. As per, there are few levels in those exercises which I am going through right now. Few of the new exercises as I started, I get stiffness within 2 or 3 days time, and stiffness duration increased as I have joined these classes, and the way she is treating is quite good. So I suggest those who are having the problem of ligament or knee can come and get relief from your pain. Thanks a lot.